Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 10C, page number 161. So, before solving this exercise, we should know conversion of metric units of weight. As we know that we have the some basic metric units for the for the mass, for the weight, for the capacity. Okay, so we have the three basic metric system. That is, for the length we have metric system meter, for the mass we have the gram, okay, and for the capacity liter. Okay, so this is unit for the weight. So here we will the metric system of the mass is the gram to weight. Okay, so here we know that to convert kilogram into gram, we should multiply by 1000. To convert gram into kilogram, we should divide by 1000. Okay, as you know that this chart already you know, and this is very important one. When you are coming from up to down means higher to lower, what you are doing, higher to lower multiply. Okay, this side we are doing multiply. If we are going to lower to higher, we are dividing. Okay, so as we just you can see this arrow also, we are coming from highest to lowest. What we are doing, bigger to smallest multiply. What we are doing, smaller to bigger divide. Okay, and each step is for the multiples of 10. Okay, like for kilo to this base unit means gram we will use here. Okay, this is for the mass we will use here gram. So kilo to gram, so how many steps we are coming, 1 2 3, and we are coming from up to down. Up to down means we will multiply. So how many tens are there, 3 tens, so 10 into 10 into 10 means 1000. Okay, so this chart is very important, you have to learn it. Okay, now let's see some questions from this. These are the examples. Okay, so likewise this 6000 gram we have to convert in the kilogram. So you simply divide by 1000, because you can see for the gram to kilogram, if you will go here, you can see this is in the gram and we have to convert in the kilogram. Okay, so let's see this. So here this is gram to kilogram, we have to go from here gram to kilogram. So how many steps, 1 2 3, 3 tens, and we are going to lower to means smaller to bigger, so it means we will divide. Okay, so the same patterns we have to follow as we have followed in exercise 10A and B, only units are changed. Okay, rest the same thing we will do. Okay, so let's see exercise 10C. So fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay, so here is 5 kg and dash gram. So this 5 kg you have to convert in the gram. So how you will do, simply 5 kg. Okay, so 5 into in 1 kg you have to write like this. In 1 kg how many gram, so this is your 1000 gram. Okay, so simply you can multiply it by the 1000. Okay, so now this is your gram, so it is 5000 gram. Okay, so your answer is 5000 gram. Or by the table you can just see how many steps we are coming, 3 steps down. Okay, so multiply by 1000, so here you can write 5000 gram. Okay, similarly number C, you can see 6 kg and 375 gram, and you have to convert this in the gram. So for this, first of all you have to write in the plus form. Okay, so for this question number C, so what you have to do, first is it given 6 kg, okay, 375 gram. Okay, so and this all you have to convert in the gram. So first you write 6 kg plus 375 gram. Okay, now this we have to convert in the which unit, gram. So this is already in the gram, so this part we will only change. So kg to gram, 3 step down we will come, means highest to lowest, means we will multiply by the 1000. So 6 into 1000. Okay, and now this become your gram plus 375. So it will be 6000 gram plus 375, this is also gram, so it will be 6375 gram when you will add. So your answer will be 6000 6375. Okay, so you can fill with this 6000 here. Here 6375. Likewise you can do one more example. I just see number G, 7485. Okay, and you have to convert in the kilogram as well as in the gram. It means we have to divide, because gram to kilo we have to go. See here in this chart, gram to kilo we are going. In this chart you can see here is the gram basic unit and we are going to kilo. So means 3 step up we are going, means lowest to highest we are going. It means we have to divide. 3 step means 1000. Okay, so here we will divide it. So it is 7485. So simply you can divide. So it is number G, 7485 gram. Okay, so now we have to convert in the kg. So you can divide 7485 and divided by 1000. So now it became kg. Okay, so we know that count the point 0 1 2 3. So they put 1 2 3, so there will be decimal. So 7.485 means after 3 will be the decimal and it is now kg. So what we can do, the whole part we can write as a kg. So this will be the 7 kg, and after this point means the right side of the decimal, so that will be in the gram. So 485 gram. Okay, so your answer is 7 kg 485 gram. Okay, so that's the answer of this number G. So what we got here, 7 kg, here is got 485 gram. So likewise you have to do. Okay, remaining question you can solve. Now number 2, write the correct sign like less than, equal to and greater than in the space provided. So here you can see number 1, 999 gram equals to 1 kg. Okay, so is it they are equal or not? So how you will know? So first of all, you have what you have to do, you have to change the, you have to make the same unit. Okay, so both, here it is given in the gram, you can see this is given in the gram, here it is given in the kg. But what you have to do, you have to convert in the same unit. And already I have told in the last classes, in the last videos, that always try to convert the unit when you are making the same unit. Okay, when you are making the same unit, always try to change that unit in the smaller one, means among these two, gram and kg. Here is the kg and here is the gram. Among these two, which one is the lowest unit, means the lower unit? Of course gram. So always what you have to do, always try to convert them into the smallest one, means in among kg and gram, gram is the smallest, so convert them in the gram. So all the units you try to convert in the smallest unit. So all we will convert in the gram first, because why we are converting in the smallest units, because we have to multiply, so that will be easy to solve. Otherwise we have to divide and to evaluate, it will be difficult. It is possible but it is little difficult. So it is quite easy when you are converting to the smallest unit, and because we will multiply and easily we can solve. So first of all we will change it. So you can see that is number 2a. So first is given 999. Okay, this is gram equals to 1 kg, it is given. So what you can do, so here you can see this already it is in the gram part, so no need to change. As I told, change in the same unit. So this is in the gram part, no need to change. So 999 gram. So in the 1 kg how many gram? So 1 into 1000, because kg to gram you will go 3 step down. So up to down multiply, or you can just remember in 1 kg how many gram? 1000 gram. You can by heart it also. So 999 gram. Here is, I have done mistake, just make it, here is the blank. Okay, now 1 into 1000, so that will be 1000 gram. Now you can check, this is the gram, this side is also gram. So which sign you can put? Here is the 1000, here is 999. Of course this is the greater one, so put this sign. Whenever you, because we know that how, if the units are different, we cannot add, we cannot subtract. even we cannot compare also. So for that we have to make the similar unit. Whenever they will come in the same unit, then you can compare it also. Okay, now next question, like C, you can see 1 kg 20 grams and here is 1120 gram. So let's solve this number. Number 2 C. Okay, so 1 kg 20 gram and there is 1120 gram. Okay, so first of all you have to, here is in the kg and gram, here is all in the gram. So which is the smallest? Gram. So try to convert all the units in the gram. So this part is already in the gram, no need to change. So first here we write in the plus form. So first of all it is combinedly it is given, so write in the plus form 1 kg 20 gram. Okay, so this 1 kg 20 gram, so you can convert this to 1 into 1000. Okay, so this will be 1 into 1000 and this became the gram plus 20 gram. Okay, now you can write it 1000 gram plus 20 gram, so it will be 1020 gram. Okay, so this side we got 1020 gram. Okay, and this side we have 1120. So this side also you can write. So this side is given, that is this side is we have, it is 1020 gram. Now you can compare both in the gram. Okay, now this side is 1020, here is 1120. Of course this side is greater, so put this sign. Okay, so here you can put this sign. So first of all you have to convert, make it the same unit and then you can convert it. Okay, now let's see the next question. Next question, number C. Match the column A with B. Okay, so you have to match the column with A with the B. So let's see this, in this column all this is numbers are given in the gram, and in this column it is combinedly it is given either kg and gram with that. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all this is given in the gram, so you have to convert this number A. You can see it is given in the gram, so you have to convert in the kilogram as well as in the gram. So for this, what step you have to follow? First of all this you have to write this, that is it is given 4, that is 4000 104 gram. Okay, so you can divide it by 1000 because you have to convert in the kilogram, so you can divide it in the 1000 because in 1 kg 1000, so that is 4104 and divided by 1000, you can divide it by the 1000. Okay, so whenever you will divide the 1000, so now it will become the kg. Now you can see 3 zeros are there. Okay, so we can put their point, so according to that 104. Now this become your kg. So this is, it means, what is it for, just whole part you can write for the kg, this 4, so you can write 4 kg and the remaining part 104 is your gram. So is it your, here I did mistake, I think it's in the question it is given. Okay, it is correct, it is number B actually, 4104. Okay, 4104, so we got 4.104, so 4 kg 104 gram. So you can see where is 4 kg and 1 D, so it means A will match to the D. Okay, similarly you can do for the A also. Okay, so you will divide the 1000, so you will get 4, you can solve, so you will get 4 kg 14 gram, so it will be matched to 4 kg 14 gram. Okay, so likewise you can convert, like this is 4001, so you will get 4 kg 1 gram, so this will be matched to, this will match to here A. Okay, so for this like 44 110, so means like 4 kg 410 gram you will get. When you will solve, you will get 4 kg 410 gram, so it will match to B. And like last you will get 4 kg 140 gram. So you will match it with the here. Okay, so likewise you can do. Okay.